Friends, welcome back to ABS Tech channel. In this video I'm going to show you the live price prediction of Cardano price prediction. So before starting this video, kindly click the subscribe button right now and complete my 2K subscriber. Thanks for subscribing us, thanks for support us. As you can see here, that is a change is in positive 2.26% change. That is the result of live price prediction last 2 hours. As you can see, the high price of Cardano cryptocurrencies in a market is $1.27 is the high price of the Cardano cryptocurrencies in the previous 2 hour result. As you can see here, the chart of the Cardano cryptocurrencies, so it's the last previous 1 hour they are jumping, but it's the last hour they are start dumping again. As you can see here, they are start dumping again. So it's the best time to sell it and be safe from loss. It's in the future, and in the future they are again falling down more, as you can see here. So it's the best time to sell it and be safe from loss, I said. As you can see here, now let's see check the live price prediction of last 1 hour. What's going in the last 1 hour in the cryptocurrencies market? As you can see here, oh my god, as I can said you, it's in negative 3.5% change in the Cardano cryptocurrency. So I also said you it's the best time to sell it and be safe from loss. As you can see here, they are, I guess, continuously falls down. So it's the best time to sell it. Please sell it, I suggest. As you can see here, the high price in the last 1 hour is $1.26. that is the live price prediction of last 1 hour you are watching now. Please kindly subscribe ABS Tech channel for more latest news and update about Cardano cryptocurrency.